The greatest secret on how to use the power of memory to solve complex problems of your life. Shankaracharya says memory, known as Chitta, is inherently pure. It consists of divine material referred to as Sattvic. Chitta possesses a high level of subtlety. In Sanskrit, subtlety is described as sookshm. Subtle denotes the ability to penetrate and acquire knowledge from various sources. Chitta can enter into literally anything. Regrettably, in our daily lives, we have a tendency to distort and contaminate this subtle and divine memory. Repeatedly, we recall crude objects, events, and experiences, undermining the true function of memory. Memory, known as Chitta, is bestowed upon us to elevate our consciousness to its purest form, known as Chit. Currently, the memory lacks the ability to focus on subtle details as it is constantly drawn towards more obvious objects. By directly meditating on the memory, you'll develop the ability to elevate it to a higher state of consciousness known as Chit. Through this practice, your memory will dwell into unexplored and unfamiliar territories, enabling you to effectively solve the intricate challenges that arise in your life. I've written a small little book titled How to Enter into Subconscious State that will help you achieve significant breakthroughs in solving complex problems of your life. It's a quick read, it's only 27 pages long, and if you're tired of controlling your thoughts and getting destroyed by it, this book will be a lifesaver. So here's just a fraction of what you will learn. How to self-heal in less than 5 minutes. I'll show you live how to do it step by step and what to do with this newfound knowledge to generate more happiness and profits. Second, how to use a simple 7 word secret verse in meditation that will stop bad karma from bearing fruit. Third, how to stop fighting with circumstances. And the second, vanish into subconscious. I demonstrate that live for a real problem. You'll freak out with this tip and keep your problems to a minimum. A clever and very sneaky way to give yourself an instant eligibility factor that forces even time to have no choice but to bless you and protect you during bad times. Next, a can't miss way to get your Atman to transfer power to you at any place in any situation. Next, how to communicate with difficult people and those that give you trouble and get things working in your favor. This will make even the evil people stand in line and beg you to share your newfound energy. This book is only 26 pages, but it's packed with valuable content on every page. This is a limited time offer, so get your copy now. Thank you and God bless.